All right, you guys, take your feet wide, little bend in those knees, engage the core, start to roll those shoulders back. You have 10 quick minutes of heart pumping cardio to start your day off. Let's speed up those shoulders. Take it back and back. We don't need any equipment. We're just gonna connect with our body, connect with our breath. Gonna keep it here. 8. Whew. I'm gonna string a few movements together for you. We're gonna start with a little step touch with the right and the left. Just reach and reach. Finding length at the top. It's step, tap. Good. Keep going right here. We have 4, 3. We're gonna take a grapevine over to the right side. It's right. To the left. So it's step, cross, step, step, cross, step. 4 more. And then I'm gonna put the 2 movements together. Last 2. Good, last one. Just take that step touch, right, then grapevine, right. Other side, left, then grapevine, left. Reach. Ha, ha. Good. Now I'm gonna add on a new move. From here, you're gonna go lift and twist, step and flick. Good. Lift and twist, step and flick. Lift, flick it all the way. Let's stay here just a little bit longer to get this in your body. Lift, twist, twist, flick, flick. Last 2. We're gonna go back from the top. Those 2 step touches into the grapevine. Here we go. It's right. Grapevine. Switch left. You got it, y'all. Big reach, big travel left. Keep it going for 4. For 3. Final set right here. Woo. Hey, hey. Last time, we're going back into that lift and twist. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Up. Flick it out. 3 more sets, lift. Flick it out. Last 2. New move coming at ya. Last one. You're gonna take your feet wide, press it down, right, left, hold, left, right, hold. Push energy out your hands, twist, twist, press. You're shaking that booty side to side. Hit, hit, hold. For 2. And 1, step, touch from the top. Woo! Grapevine. Keep it going. Reach. Grapevine. So good. So strong, y'all. Keep it going right here for 4. Push. For 3. And push. Last 2. Final 1. Woo. Get ready. We lift and we twist. Flick it out. Twist it. Flick it. Twist it. Flick it. Last time right here. So strong. That diagonal press. We go. Quick, quick, hold. Quick, quick, hold. Are you breathing? Keep going for 4. For 3. I'm adding on 1 last move. Right here. We're gonna jump those feet in and out. 2 times and booty roll. Right. For 2. In. For 2. Booty roll. Booty roll. 2 more. We're elevating that heart rate. Jump, jump from the top. Last time. Reach, reach, grapevine right. Reach, reach, grapevine left. You start to feel the warmth in your body. Attacking that movement and finishing stronger than you started. 4. Ha, ha, yes. 3. So good. We're gonna take it for 2. Last one. Heading into that lift and twist. Take it up to the right. Flick it out to the right. It's lift, twist, step flick. Yes. One more time. Lift. We diagonal press. Right foot, right arm down, down, hold. Press, press, hold. You've got it, y'all. 4, 3, 2, in and out with the feet. We go in, booty roll 2 times. Hey, hey, in, roll. 2 more times. Last time. Now we breathe. Whew. All right, y'all. Keep your body moving. You're halfway through today's cardio burst. So, stay with me. We're gonna take our feet wider than our hips, turn our toes out, expand the chest, open those arms. Inhale, sink it down and up. Inhale, exhale, down, press. 4 more times. Yes, feel the length of the top get taller for 2. On 1, we're gonna hold it low, little pulse, 8. Shoulders are over those hips, 4, 3. We're gonna head into a right lunge, parallel through the legs. Stay grounded, pulse, pulse. We're here just 4, 3. Now you're gonna pull that left knee in, crunch it in, exhale, exhale. We're here just 4, 3. You're gonna hold that foot back, circle the left arm. Little guitar, A. We're gonna do that 4, 3. Repeat it from that knee, pull, 8. Exhale, exhale. Good, you got 4, 3, 2. Circle your arm for 8. Good, 6. Little change coming up. We're coming back to the center. Toss your arms. Up, down, up. Pop it 4 times. Up, down, up. Pop it 4 times. Reaching those arms up and over the head. Option to add a little jump. If you want to take it a little bit higher. We have 4. Pop, 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 pop. 3. Remember that jump is just an option. Listen to your body wherever you are today. Last time. Whew. Turn those feet out. We sink down, up. Inhale, exhale. Whew. I'm feeling it. So good. 4 more. Stay with me. 3, 2. Let's hold it low. Little pulse. Down, down. Inner and outer thighs right here. 4, 3. We're heading into the left side. 8. Square those hips. Core is engaged. 4, 3. That right knee pulls in right here. 8. Whew. 4, 3. Back to that little swing. Circle, circle. Working that booty. 4 more. And then we go back into the knee pull right here. Pull, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. Circle back. Last time. 8. Woo! 6. We're going back to the center with that big toss overhead right here. Up. Pop it out. Up. Breathe. Let's go. Up, down, up. Pop it out. So close to that finish line. Keep breathing. We have 4. 3. Woo! Last 2. You got it, y'all. Last one. You're gonna hold right here. Ground your body. Push down. Pull. Pull. Finding that elbow at the top. Good. Stay here. Right, left, right, left. That's it. Now, add a little kick back through the heel. Go press, kick, kick. Kicking out to that booty. Yes. Now add a little snap. Down, snap. Yes. Reaching it nice and high. Stay with me, y'all. We got 8, 7, 6. We made it. Keep breathing, keep pushing. 3, last 2, last one. Good, little tap, right heel, left heel, heel, heel. Stack those forearms right on top of one another. 4, you made it. 3, 2, on 1, plant those feet. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. 2 more big breaths. If you enjoyed today's video, let me know in those comments, you guys, and we'll see you back on the dance floor next time.